Good morning. Let's get ready to tape a video with plated skincare. The first thing I'm gonna do is cleanse with Clinical Cleansing Complex. I love it because it purifies my pores with a mixture of glycolic and salicylic acid. It gently exfoliates and refines my complexion. The next thing I'm going to use is Plated Intense. This is a super amazing formulation, one-of-a-kind technology, and helps with the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's clinically proven. It provides potent antioxidants and growth factor complex directly to my skin. These are by far the coolest eye masks we carry. They actually have little bioavailable microneedles that dissolve into your skin during the 20 minutes you wear them. They are super clever and work quickly to smooth lines, plump thin skin, and lighten dark circles. What's also really great is that these eye patches actually boost the absorption of other eye serums and creams, which is why I like to put them over top of my Plated Intense for an even more dynamic eye treatment. I love the way this makes my eyes look. Next up is one of my favorite products. This is the Revision Line Relaxer Revox. This boosts hydration, enhances skin elasticity, and increases overall radiance. What I also really love is this also targets both horizontal and vertical expression lines for a more youthful and ageless appearance. If you're somebody like me who is concerned with forehead lines, glabella lines, or crow's feet, you'll definitely want to add this into your routine. Next up is my favorite L-ascorbic acid. This is the Vivier QuintiSerum. It's probably our newest product from Vivier. I like to use about 5 drops. This is a super powerful and potent antioxidant, as well as helping to create more collagen for tightening. I like to press this into my skin. I honestly love the VA L-ascorbic acid so much. They are USP, which is a pharmaceutical grade vitamin C. Next up is my Osmosis Rescue. I love the smell. One of my favorite products ever. I've been using this for about 7 years. I apply this all over my face. It helps with redness, pore size, it protects against blue light, it helps with pigmentation. There's really nothing that product can't do. Next up is Skinbetter Mystro, one of my favorite products in 2023. I've added to my routine. I have seen an overall improvement again in pore size, texture, and this is also amazing for intrinsic and extrinsic aging. So this is actually helping treat aging on cellular levels as well as levels due to stress, which is so important if you're like me and always running a little high strung. And peep my headband and wristlets from Skinbetter, so cute. They're coming soon. Keep an eye out for that promo. Okay, next up is Clinical Reparative Moisture Emulsion, one of the best moisturizers you can use in the morning for anti-aging results. This provides antioxidant protection. It also provides a little whisper of botanical growth factor technology. I'm going to peel these eye masks off and pull my moisturizer all the way up around my eyes. What I also really love about this moisturizer is it was formulated not only with scientists but makeup artists. So this is going to be the perfect product you'll want to use if you are somebody who wears makeup or want to look really, really flawless with your tinted SPF application. On my neck today, I'm using the Obagi Elastoderm Neck Concentrate. This brightens discoloration, addresses tech neck, and targets skin elasticity. I always give myself a quick lymphatic drainage massage when I do my neck cream. The next thing I'm going to use is the Colorescience Flex in medium. I saw people applying their Colorescience Flex like this on TikTok, so obviously I had to try it out, but I want to show you guys how it really creates a nice tinted look to the skin without being heavy. And of course it's SPF 50, so that's so important. Okay, I'm going to apply it all over now. The way I do it's so messy, so I did that off camera. Next thing I'm going to do is the reason for the season for today is the Plated Hair Serum. You guys, I love this serum. I can't wait till you guys can get your hands on it. It comes out like a little yellow color, but I use a pipette. You can use a half a pipette, but I like to apply mine like this in 5 consecutive rows. This is providing antioxidants to the scalp, hydration. It's going to help with thinning skin, hair loss. I then just take my fingertips, so you don't have to worry, your fingertips won't get hairy, but I just massage that into my scalp. Of course, as you guys know, facial massage as well as scalp massage is so great for bringing blood flow and nutrients naturally to the skin. So massaging the area for hair regrowth is so important, as well as giving yourself a facial massage when applying your skincare.